Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably one of the best hand towel holders on the market, the MARMOLUX ACC Matte Black Towel Ring. If you're looking for a sleek, durable, and functional addition to your bathroom or kitchen, this towel ring might just be the perfect fit. Right from the start, the MARMOLUX towel ring stands out with its modern, matte black finish that brings a sophisticated edge to any space. It's designed to complement a wide range of bathroom fixtures, effortlessly blending with your existing decor while adding a touch of elegance. The round shape and clean lines make it a subtle yet stylish accessory for your towel storage needs. One of the most impressive features of this towel ring is its build quality. Crafted from premium SUS 304 stainless steel, it offers exceptional resistance to corrosion and rust. This means you don't have to worry about moisture damaging the finish or the structural integrity over time. The coating is also scratch-resistant and designed to prevent peeling and fading, ensuring that it maintains its fresh look for years. In terms of durability, this towel ring is solid and sturdy without feeling bulky. It weighs just over 11 ounces, which strikes the right balance between robustness and a lightweight design that won't overwhelm your bathroom walls. Its dimensions are practical, measuring about 1.97 inches in length, 6.4 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, making it perfect for hand towels without taking up unnecessary space. Space saving is a key consideration, especially in compact bathrooms, and this towel ring excels here. Its wall-mounted design frees up counter space and keeps your towels neatly organized and easily accessible. Whether you place it near the sink or in the kitchen, it adds convenience without clutter. Installation is another area where the MARMOLUX towel ring shines. It comes with all the necessary hardware, including a wall bracket and a mounting template. This thoughtful inclusion means you can install it quickly and hassle-free, without needing extra tools or professional help. The design ensures the ring stays firmly attached and doesn't wobble or loosen with use. If you're interested in coordinating your bathroom accessories, MARMOLUX offers matching hardware in the same matte black finish, such as toilet paper holders and towel bars, so you can create a cohesive look throughout your space. To summarize, the MARMOLUX ACC Matte Black Towel Ring is a blend of functionality, durability, and style. Its stainless steel construction promises long-lasting performance, while the matte black finish adds a contemporary touch that fits seamlessly in modern homes. It's easy to install, corrosion-resistant, and thoughtfully designed for small spaces. If you want to upgrade your bathroom or kitchen with a towel holder that offers both form and function, the MARMOLUX towel ring is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.